Ready to go from skinny to muscular? Avoid the biggest mistakes that could slow down your progress and hinder your gains. Watch now to optimize your journey and achieve your dream physique. Let's dive in. Number 8. Neglecting nutrition. Neglecting nutrition is a critical mistake that can sabotage the efforts of anyone seeking to transition from a skinny to a muscular physique. Building muscle requires a caloric surplus, meaning that the body needs to consume more calories than it burns in a day. Without enough calories and nutrients to support muscle growth and repair, progress will be slow, and gains will be minimal. Protein intake is particularly crucial as it provides the building blocks, amino acids, necessary for muscle repair and growth. Carbohydrates are essential for fueling intense workouts, while fats play a role in hormone production and overall health. A well-balanced diet with an emphasis on whole, nutrient-dense foods is vital for providing the body with the necessary fuel and resources to build muscle effectively. Ignoring nutrition not only impedes progress but can also lead to fatigue, increased risk of injury, and compromised immune function, hindering overall fitness goals. Number 7. Overdoing cardio. Overdoing cardio is a common pitfall when attempting to transition from a skinny to a muscular physique. While cardiovascular exercise is essential for cardiovascular health and overall fitness, excessive cardio can interfere with muscle gain. Cardio workouts burn calories, and when done excessively, they can create a caloric deficit, which is counterproductive for muscle growth since a caloric surplus is needed to build muscle mass. Additionally, excessive cardio can lead to increased fatigue and reduced energy levels, making it challenging to perform at an optimal level during strength training sessions. Instead of cutting out cardio completely, individuals looking to build muscle should focus on incorporating moderate amounts of cardiovascular exercise, such as short sessions of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, or low to moderate intensity steady-state cardio, while ensuring they still maintain a caloric surplus and prioritize their strength training workouts. Number 6. Lack of consistency. Lack of consistency is a major stumbling block on the path from a skinny physique to a muscular one. Building muscle is a gradual process that requires regular and consistent effort over time. Skipping workouts, having irregular training schedules, or frequently taking extended breaks can significantly impede progress. The body responds best to consistent training stimuli, and sticking to a well-designed workout program allows for progressive overload, muscle adaptation, and growth. Consistency with nutrition is equally vital. Consuming enough calories and nutrients on a regular basis is crucial for providing the body with the resources it needs to build and repair muscle tissue. Developing a habit of consistency not only maximizes the chances of achieving the desired muscular physique but also instills discipline and dedication that extends to other aspects of life beyond fitness. Number 5. Not focusing on compound exercises. Neglecting to focus on compound exercises is a significant mistake that can hinder progress when trying to go from skinny to muscular. Compound exercises involve multiple muscle groups and joints working together, making them highly effective for overall muscle development and strength gains. These exercises recruit more muscle fibers and stimulate the release of growth-promoting hormones, such as testosterone and growth hormone. Examples of compound exercises include squats, deadlifts, bench presses, rows, and overhead presses. By incorporating these compound movements into your workout routine, you engage a broader range of muscles and promote functional strength that can transfer to daily activities and sports performance. Number 4. Neglecting proper form. Ignoring proper form while lifting weights is a critical mistake that can lead to injury and hinder your progress in building muscle. Lifting with incorrect form puts unnecessary stress on joints, tendons, and muscles, increasing the risk of strains, sprains, and long-term damage. It's essential to prioritize learning and maintaining proper form for each exercise, even if it means starting with lighter weights. Engaging in exercises with correct form ensures that you target the intended muscle groups effectively and maximize the benefits of each movement. Consider seeking guidance from a certified fitness trainer or coach who can assess your form and provide valuable feedback. They can teach you the proper techniques for various exercises, ensuring that you perform them safely and efficiently. Remember, quality repetitions with good form always trump lifting heavy weights with improper technique. Number 3. Expecting quick results. Having unrealistic expectations and expecting quick results is a significant mistake that can lead to disappointment and frustration when trying to transform from a skinny to a muscular physique. Building substantial muscle mass takes time, and it's essential to set realistic and achievable goals. It's not a process that happens overnight or even within a few weeks. It requires consistent effort, dedication, and patience. Comparing yourself to individuals with different genetics, training backgrounds, or lifestyles can create an unhealthy mindset and hinder your progress. Instead, focus on your own journey, celebrate small victories along the way, and recognize that building muscle is a gradual and rewarding process. Embrace the improvements in strength, stamina, and overall fitness as you work toward your long-term goal of a muscular physique. Number 2. Overtraining. Overtraining is a common mistake that many individuals make when striving to go from a skinny to a muscular physique. While enthusiasm and dedication are admirable, it's essential to understand that muscles need time to recover and grow stronger. Overtraining occurs when you don't allow your body sufficient rest and recovery between intense workouts, leading to a state of chronic fatigue and decreased performance. Signs of overtraining include persistent muscle soreness, sleep disturbances, decreased motivation, and a decline in strength and performance. Overtraining not only hinders muscle growth but also increases the risk of injury, as fatigued muscles are more susceptible to strains and sprains. To avoid overtraining, it's crucial to incorporate rest days into your workout routine and listen to your body's signals. Number 1. Ignoring sleep and recovery. Neglecting sleep and recovery is a detrimental mistake that can hinder progress and impede the transition from a skinny to a muscular physique. Quality sleep is crucial for overall health, muscle recovery, and growth. During sleep, the body releases growth hormone, which plays a significant role in repairing and rebuilding muscles after intense workouts. Lack of adequate sleep can disrupt this process, leading to slower recovery times and reduced gains. Moreover, insufficient sleep negatively affects hormone levels, including cortisol, which can promote muscle breakdown and fat storage. To optimize muscle growth and performance, aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Thanks for watching the biggest mistakes going from skinny to muscular. We hope you found this video insightful and that it helps you on your fitness journey. Remember, building muscle takes time and dedication, so stay consistent, be patient, and keep pushing towards your goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Keep working hard, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay fit and stay strong.